Here in Cell 10, the synchronized robots utilize water-cooled MIG torches. The dual-axis positioner.
Bring it down slowly, watch the alignment pins. Looks good, lock it down. Easy now, bring it down 20. Copy that, coming down slow. Check the alignment on the far side. Check the angle on the protractor.
It's reading 90.05.
Acceptable tolerance.
The aluminum hubs are fitted with solid rubber tires using a hydraulic press before moving to the next station for bearing installation.
Here we see the massive V12 block entering the multi-axis CNC machine, where drilling and milling operations commence under a flood of coolant.
The forged steel crankshaft is carefully lowered into the main bearings. Instrumented electric tools ensure precise torque.
Pressure stabilizing at 50 psi.
Good. Let's ramp the torque to the upper limit. We're hitting the limit on the torque converter pressure.
Backing off the load now. Temperature stabilizing.
Check the pressure on manifold 3.
It's holding steady at 500 psi.
Route the bypass line through the upper clamp. Okay, the bulkhead is secure. Hand me the torque wrench.
Here you go. Did you check the labels on the J3 connector?
Yes, all verified and sealed. Coming down slowly. How's the clearance on the starboard side?
Hold it right there. We need a slight shift to the left.
All right, the pedals are secured. How are the diagnostics looking?
Green across the board. The yoke feels solid.
Secure that rack tightly. We're expecting heavy turbulence on ingress.
Roger that, Commander. Torquing the final bolt now.
Is the supply line secure?
Yes, the torque is set on the coupling.
The heat sensor is wired in. Check the connection at the panel.
Looks good. We have a green light on the main display now.
All right, bring it down slowly. Steady, steady. Clear on this side, boss. Keep going, just a few more inches. Keep it steady. Clamps are tight on this side. Okay, power umbilical connected.
Watch the hydraulics, lower it slowly.
It's clearing the engine block now.
Bring the next panel over here.
Alignment confirmed. Engaging the ram now.
Clear, clear. Pin is going in.
Keep lowering, slow and steady.
We're aligned. Go for the pin.
Easy now, bring it down slow. All right, we're aligned. Drive the pin. Secured. Installing hydraulics now. Tighten the clamp now.
It's secure.
All right, clear the area. Hitting the pin.
Pumping grease into the adjuster cylinder pushes the idler wheel forward, tightening the track. Proper tension is critical for preventing thrown tracks. The armored side skirts are critical for protecting the suspension. Once aligned, the locking pins secure the assembly.
Rotation check clear. And the elevation. Looks good. Solid install.
In the final paint booth, robots apply specialized spare top coat. This coating provides a distance. The freshly painted vehicle slowly travels on a conveyor through the long industrial curing oven. Hot air circulates.
See that imperfection by the housing?
Yes, I'll use a small gun.
It is critical to connect the positive terminal first, then the negative. A torque wrench ensures a secure fit.
Strong oil pressure.
No leaks here. Sounds good. The pressure is holding steady at specifications.
Good. Let's get the fluid topped off and logged.
Intercom check, station 4. Audio levels nominal.
Acknowledged.
The armored glass vision blocks are secured, sealed with gaskets, and fastened with next. The night vision viewer is installed.
Hitting the brake zone now.
Hard deceleration logged. Prepare for the slalom.
The vehicle climbs steep concrete grades to verify engine power and braking capability. It is stopped mid-slope to test the park.
Look good on the starboard side. How's the pressure inside?
Holding steady, no leaks detected.
Roger that. Proceed with exit.
That gap is out of specification. I've logged it on the tablet and marked it with yellow tape.
Checks confirm everything is to standard. Approved for 0 defects.
Okay, the serial number is logged here.
And it matches the build history.
The manuals are all set too.
If the vehicle is shipped long distances, it undergoes preservation. Desiccant bags absorb moisture.
All right, driver, keep it coming nice and slow. A little to the right now. Right there, hold it. And stop.
One more click on that binder. Solid. Front and rear, good to go.
Manifest checks out. All right, pull her out slow and easy. Watch that turn onto the main road.
Roger that, we're clear.
Everything is signed off and ready for delivery, Colonel.
Excellent. It's a pleasure doing business with you. We need to adjust the feed rate on the main line. It's causing a bottleneck.
Okay, I'll update the parameters and monitor the output.
More power on the winch now.